Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your love and support. I am so grateful. If today's the first day you are seeing my eyes and my face for the first time, this is Agatha Progress channel, and I come across your way every blessed day. Thank you very much to you that always share my video, like, and comment. I am grateful. I so much appreciate you all. God richly bless you. All right, let's go move into the reason why we are here today. Hope you do enjoy the video. Now, watch it. Let's go. So that is how it is. What a beautiful day to be again with the wonderful leader of Biafra. Yes, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you are the winner. You are the really champion. You are really the man of the game. A lot of people don't understand you. A lot of people don't know what you are up to, but we know what you are up to, and we give you the respect for that, because there is none like you. There is no one that can handle this race the way you do. So Wike has been knocking mouths, he has been making mouths here and there, talking all trash, all rubbish from his mouth. And now Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have dare him. Yes, what you have to do, do it and let me see. That is exactly what our beloved leader say to Wike. And you know, our leader is the talking and do, and he really do what he have said. Now, I don't want to read some things that is going on for you. You know, for some time, Wike has been making mad. If I see Eastern Security Network in Rivers, I will do this, I will do that. And it goes this way. Operatives of the Eastern Security Network are currently mobilizing. Can you beat that? Can you imagine that? This is what nobody imagined that the Eastern Security Network will do right in the beautiful land of Biafra, because of what Wike has been saying. But fam, they put him to shame. They let him understand that that place is for Biafra and nothing else. Into the forest of the local government area of Rivers to force out the Fulani herdsmen who are reportedly taking over people's farm. Sahara reporters learned that despite the state governor Wike threatened against the Eastern Security Network, what they went there to do was also amicable to it. The indigenous people of Biafra, the operative, moved into the forest to prevent the herdsmen from established settlement in the area. Since Saturday, there has been tension in the community in Rivers. Half Fulani herdsmen invade the area, destroying farmland and assaulting the residents. Sahara reporters as on Saturday report that the invasion started last Monday, with residents dissenting and area gradually moving out due to the fear of killers of herdsmen, who reportedly also raped some women in the community. Can you imagine? Some of the residents has told Sahara reporters that a massive peaceful protest was carried out on Friday to bring the attention of the state and federal government to the community, which is presently under herdsmen strategies. Right now, farmers in the area have been taken over by Fulani herdsmen. Our women are crying in the farm. To return home is almost impossible. Everyone is angry. We are protesting. On Saturday, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, the founder of Eastern Security Network, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, narrated that he has directed the Eastern Security Network operative to wage a war against the Fulani herdsmen. Exactly. And he said, in response to the cry and yelling of our terrified mother in the land of Rivers State, I have this evening instructed the High Command of Eastern Security Network move into the area fort and to ride the farmers of Fulani terrorists, herdsmen. A source in the community said the forests were a no-go area at the moment, as residents has been asked to vacate the farms until the herdsmen has been cleared. In order not to be caught in the crossfire, we are avoiding the farm for now. When the Fulani herdsmen has been sent away, everyone will return, since the Rivers State government has not done anything about it. And now Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have sent Eastern Security Network right in the farm to go and do the needful. You can imagine the plus on his side. Shey the Rivers State governor said there is no way Eastern Security Network is going to work, but presently Eastern Security Network, they are in Rivers right now helping Wike. Can you imagine? That is a shame. What they cannot do, they will say they can do it. And I so much appreciate God for the type of heart of a leader that we have. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have taken the responsibility in his hands to do the needful, and we all need to support him. You see, life, Wike is the one bragging, saying all sorts of rubbish, but your people are dying right in the forest. What have you done? Long live Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Long live Eastern Security Network. Now I have another video that I'm going to place on a note right now. Watch it, then I will be back.
Hey! You can see that this is Lagos right now. Yoruba Nation! That's the apple. That's the apple for here. This is Yoruba land. Yoruba Nation! Yoruba Nation! Biafra Nation! Yoruba Nation! Yoruba Nation! Yoruba Nation! You can see right now.
Long live Eastern Security Network. Long live Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Long live the beautiful land of Biafra. What I want to ask, this Oduduwa, one day on, one day off, are they really ready? Let them take the horn. Let them take the horn and move into the streets. Let us know that they are ready or they are not ready. In fact, I am having a video that I'm going to release by tomorrow. It's going to shock you. Oduduwa Nation, what are you people waiting for? Are you guys ready to move or not? We really appreciate the life of Eastern Security Network. Please do well to always support. Support in any ways that you know you can support Eastern Security Network. Thank you very much for your love and support. Hope this video go a long way to help each and every one of us. Long live Biafra. My word. That is all about this video. Hope you do enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like this video and share this video. Your opinion is highly needed in the comment section. And if you are passing across this video for the first time, you are passing across this channel for the first time, and you haven't subscribed, you haven't joined this family, what are you then waiting for? Please do it to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you again in my next post shortly. I see you when I see you. Peace out.